This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening to all. So all students join the session. All students join the sessions. We'll start the class. Everyone has joined the meeting? So we'll start with this. I will already, it is, we have to start. 1 second. So everyone has joined the meeting. So I'm going to share the screen. So everyone able to see the screen. Yesterday we have done vendors. Okay. Same procedure we can do for customers. So now what is actually GST? What is GST? Okay. So what we need to do here, how many students has done on GST transactions yesterday? Hmm? How many student has done? So here I'm going to state again output central GST, that will be under like that. This is input, then we'll create output on this. So this is 2 lakhs, already 4 I have. This is 5. Out central GST. Today we'll do revisions after a few minutes. Control data, line item display 001. Tax category we have to
Did not enter
select.
tax category.
We have to do M3 I have selected. Click on save. Likewise, we have to create 2 lakhs 6. So this is out.
Ma'am, field status group is G046, ma'am.
4 6 not there. 4 1 that is. This is 4 1 for tax clearing. Zero 1. This is G041. How you can see on this G041 is for tax office clearing account. That is 46 is not there only. Click on save. Right now I'm not creating interstate. First we'll do the transactions on this. We'll see that slash and FB 70 TA 51. Let me do one transaction. After this I'll show you one more. So customer, what customer we have? So we need to select sales. So tax relief and 3001. 1 second. I have to check it out. Slash and FS 00. So it is your income sales account it is asking. You need to change this your tax category to select. 1 second students. Purchase display. We need to do on this. I think there is a little mistake cited. This is not under liabilities, it will come. Um, Purchase this one, I'll check once. Okay. I'm going to delete this. It will come under expenses we have to create because we cannot do liabilities on this. I'll just check it out and tell you. Let's take this is
Ma'am, you're doing it in asset
oh,
category, ma'am.
just a minute. I'm trying because this end is taken, but for the customer we have to do expenses or something. 3000 interest. Okay, this is it is asking what the sales interest receipt. It comes under income only, I think. So let me do one more. I have already entered, so I cannot go back. Once I'll check it out. Slash n. 1 second. it will be indirect income, I think. 1 second. So 3 lakhs 3 I'll create. 3 lakhs, it will be income. 3 lakhs 3. Just let me do this. So income is profit and loss account. Income out central tax, out central GST. Click on this. Tax category, you need to select this one. Open line items 001 and bank interest G00. Click on save. I'm just doing 2 entries, then I'll show you that. 3 lakhs 4. Out state GST, control data, line item display, tax category I'm using M3. This is 001. First I'll do this because we'll see it can be done or what. G041 C. So slash and FB70. Amount is 1500. It's taking. So it will comes under income.
Ma'am, how do you delete the account?
1 second, I'll tell you. Post it. It is posted. It will come as a deletions, but it cannot be removed from the screen. Only you have to this one. 1 second. I'll show you on that. See, this I have mistakenly created on this liabilities, but it will comes under income only. But what happened? No, this I cannot. This is if you click and display, you can see that it has been deleted. Okay, so if you go to the display options, or you can change it also if it is not required. You can change it because I have created here. So if I want change, you can change it, but totally deletions is not happening. So what I'll do, liabilities is that I'll take some other things like, let's take some other type of examples like what kind of liabilities we can create, that you can create it, or else you can leave like this. But actually you can convert it in the different, what is that, GL. The total deletions is not happening here. If you click on this, your deletions, so positions of the cursor, it is there. See here, you have to click on delete. So data has been changed, should be changed to be saved data. If you click on this, yes, so what will happen? Save as. You can delete, you have to delete all these things. You can give another name, but you can reuse it. If you delete that thing, you cannot be, it is not permanently delete here.
So, ma'am, without changing it, can we create it under income?
In this case, you can change with a different name. That's all. You can change with a
Yes, ma'am.
different name. See, it
I'll
is
change
logged
it
actually.
later.
See, actually it has been logged because these things has been deleted. Now if I'll click on types and description, this is all deleted option. So enter a account, it's telling. But names will be displayed, but this account to accounts has been deleted. But if I'll click on this, this also this is displaying because this I have created. And one more you create on interstate also, 3 lakhs 4. I want to tell you one more thing. It depends on the software. We can create on that input just you can create under expenses also. As it is a paying tax, so I have created on liability. You can create on expenses as well as here. So both the cases it will accept. So but sales for this definitely you have to create on income. You should not create in any other things. So income only you have to create because sales when we are doing it is we for us it is an income, but we are paying tax to the government. So out interstate GST you have to create. Out interstate GST. For that we need to create one more party ledgers who will be in different state. Interstate GST, control data, line item, display, tax category. Here I am selecting last one, M4, and this is Z001. Okay, create bank interest. Your fee status group is Z041. Click on save. So I have created interstate also, but I need to create one party ledger which in different states.
Ma'am,
So
give us 2 minutes, ma'am. We'll create the central state and
hmm,
interstate for output GST, and then you can show us how to do that.
okay, created. Only customer last it is today. Then tomorrow also revisions and Saturday is the exam. Okay. So everything I have created under Bangalore. Now I'm creating under Ooty. So do it once you're done. I'll show you once again how to create customer for other states. So have you done, students?
1 minute, ma'am. Making the payment.
Payment from customer.
Ma'am, it says posting is only possible with a zero balance. Correct document.
Yes, tell me.
It says posting is only possible with a zero balance. Correct
Yesterday also I
document.
got this error message. So you change the amount. There will be some error message here. Change the amount. Zero balance displaying. Change the amount and post it. Same procedure how I did yesterday or the opposite procedure only. Only you have to remember that output all the GST we have to create on indirect income. That is also liabilities are created, but you can create on indirect expenses. Anyhow, it is an expenses one type because when you are paying a GST tax, it is an expenses only. Just like in Tally, it is different. In SAP, it is little different. The procedures are different there. There we are getting duties and taxes tax category, but here we are not getting that. We are creating tax category as a X1, X2 or something like this. Here procedure are totally different from the Tally. So that is the things. But always this is comes as a liability as well as indirect income for the sales. So usually most important thing is your input GST. Most important thing is that one. So you have to create under liabilities.
Ma'am, it again says posting is only possible with a zero balance. Correct document.
That is only you have to come out from the screen. There you should not change and check with the slash and doubles zero. FS double zero. Yesterday I also got 2 times that error message. That is only due to the balance only. You have to check in GL account as well as what amount you are giving. Give a small amount on that. I have got 2 times yesterday that error, but last year I rectified that one. Are you doing customer invoice entries?
Yes,
Customer
ma'am.
invoice. Okay, so what customers you have? That you first check it out. Is it intrastate or interstate? What is the when create one more customer also not a problem. Slash and create one more customer, Sneha Sri. Yesterday for me also it was displaying, no, so I created new vendors for that. So likewise, I created today new customer. You can also create one new customer for this and try to enter. Customer how to create FD01 slash and FD01. Better you create new customer for that. Slash and FD01 and here you can see your domestic customer for TF51 is displaying. It will show your company domestic customer, then press enter and give the title create better new customer and try to enter. It will accept it. Yesterday I did this solutions only. I've created new vendors for this Priyam and Pratham. Then Priyanka and Pratham I have created. Then I entered the transactions. So likewise for the customer also you can create one more customer and do it, because we have done more than one entries for the same vendors, so there will be a balance difference. Okay. So yesterday what happened, when I was doing vendor payment to different 3,000 and 2,000, it was not accepting. So I merged it as a 5,000 and I posted, because payment difference is too large. That error message also will get in the post outgoing payments. So sorry, post incoming payments. Now today what I'm doing, post incoming payments, that is your F-28. After this customer invoice, you need to use F-28 for post incoming payment. Incoming means we are getting this. That's what I created the tax ledger under indirect income. But one more thing I'll tell you, that input GST can come under indirect expenses group also, and as well as liability. Both in case it will accept, because it is an expenses only indirectly. But this is your income related to sales. So that's what you have to create definitely under income, indirect income. So create one customer, fill the details. Don't give your reason 10 or city Bangalore. Don't. You can create one intrastate customer, like postal code. This and all you can give, and one more customer you create that belongs to Tamil Nadu. Any place name you know you can do. I've given you UT. So in that case, I'm not giving postal code. Reason I'm giving 22. 22 means Tamil Nadu. 20. So 10 is your, what is that? Karnataka. 22 is Tamil Nadu. If you want, you can check it out. Suppose here I am giving India, no? So if you click on this, you can see after results, Tamil Nadu is 22. Karnataka is 10. See the difference? So I have given 22 for interstate transactions. So post incoming payment, outgoing payment, T codes you should remember. GL account balance, T codes you should remember. T codes are almost, it is most important for this. I'll see all T codes you can find out. So have you done this? After filling this, you have to click on company code date here. Company code data.
Now I got the customer invoice for center. Now I'm creating a customer for interstate. I
Hmm.
entered details. Now
Don't
do
give city
I
Bangalore,
click
give
on?
another city.
Yes, ma'am. I gave UT. Now do I
Huh.
click on company code data?
Country India, reason is 22.
Yes, ma'am. Company code
Then you
data. Do I
click
click
on
on that?
company code data, and you have to keep the reconciliation account as a Sunday data. Select that, and short key 001, account management is A1. Cash management group is A1. Then you click on save. Other things you need to do, CIN details, all these things is not required. Only you have to click on company code data, and you can save this. Next you go to the customer invoice, that is slash n FB70. That also don't forget, slash n FB70. So give the company code, and you will get the enter customer invoice. Company code is TF51. Huh. I'm taking class, college class. So enter this customers, invoice date, posting date. And amount you should give. Then as I told you last class yesterday also, you can do for interstate, you can click on tax and you can do it. For interstate directly you select this here M3 and start doing on this. Try to post these entries and then I'll tell you what is the customer payment. Students, one more T code you have to remember. What is that? FD10N, that is display balance for the customer vendor display, customer balance display. So I select the customer, different, you can see that. So this will display here how much transactions we have done for the particular customer. It will all display. If you have done multiple transactions, it will display say 12,300. Then total is 18,300 we have done because 12,300 plus 6,000 total is 18,300 we have done the transactions for this party, which was that Priyam Traders. Likewise, if you click on this, you can see for Sonali Traders also. That is only one transactions we have done 6,500. So please write the T code for this FD10N. FD10N. So FBL5N, what is that? If you click on this, this is customer line item display. I need to click here customer line item display. Suppose I'll do for Jayashree and clear items. Execute this. So it is 5,000 as yesterday I have entered for this. All this digital it will display. Have you done this? See all items if will do for the different dates it will display. See 7,000 I have done, 4,500, 12,300. This green button means payment has already done. This has been it is not done the payment. So that's what it is a red button. Understanding students? So likewise it will display. This is called customer line item displays. What is the vendor line item display? FBL 1N. Ledger GL account line item displays FBL 3N. Likewise, customer line item displays FBL 5N. These two T code, please you write in your copy. If you have pen and paper or anywhere, you can type and save it. Incoming payments is F28.
Ma'am,
This few,
to check it, do we execute?
which one? You should execute this. And you can see which payment has not done, it will be red button. And which has payment has already cleared items, it will show in the green button. Okay, is it done? Completed? Like
Yes, ma'am.
one more entries you do for interstate. That means you have done for interstate and interstate both. Have you done
Yes, ma'am.
both? Okay, then it's
Yes, ma'am.
completed.
I did
That
one
much.
central and one inter.
You can send one screenshot of this line item display. So all this it will display. You line item display, click on all items, then all the details it will display. Understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am. How do you click on all item?
Hmm?
How do you select all items?
Which one? Anything you're asking me? Select this /n FBL 5N. Okay. So when you will go to this, now this is my traders. All items you click and execute. This screenshot you need to send. For premium traders, whatever we have done, it will display. Likewise, if you change the person, like another, suppose I have done for this UT, Sahil. So I'll do all items and execute. I have done only one transaction for. See, different customers we are collecting the money because we are doing different transactions in that case. So it will be displaying here. Understanding my point? Hmm?
Yes.
That is only. Likewise, FBL1 and also you can see that. See, if you want to display balances, you can click on this and you can select the customer which you want to see. Suppose I want to see Sonali, execute this, it will show Sonali, one transactions only I have done. Multiple transactions means also that details you will get it out. Okay, so that's all. Your SAP all topics has been covered. Till GST it was the last and GST is the longer I have taken from last two classes to these two classes. It's a four classes it's covered. It's not an easy topic, but tax procedure, then tax code creations, accounting keys creations. There is lot of procedures as there. You have to do GL account creations, and lastly we have done with the vendors and customers. So what I am saying now, it's all done. So what is my suggestions? If you have any doubts still, any accounts receivable, payable, GST, all these things you can clarify today. And one more time I'll show you if anyone has missed out the classes and all. So from the beginning, so what I'll do in this case, slash, and already we are in the SAP Easy Access Screen student. SAP is what? It is a system applications in product in data processing, that you should not forget what is the full form of SAP and what is the who is the CEO of SAP, who was the ARP vendors. And I have given the assignments you have submitted also. Most of the students have submitted. I have checked it out. So that is the basics
Ma'am,
questions and yes, tell me. So tomorrow also
Ma'am,
one
if
class
you
I'm going to
have a
conduct from the beginning.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
tell
if you
me any
have a
doubts you have.
list of yes, ma'am. If you have a list of all the topics that you've covered one in order
No,
to
I
just
have
send
not
it in the
saved,
group,
or
ma'am.
whatever I do, I send in group. There is no
Okay,
such
ma'am.
list on this thing. But once
Like
I'll do
portions.
revisions means, once I'll do
Yes, ma'am.
revisions means you will get to know what after that. Okay, we'll do
Okay,
now.
ma'am.
So tomorrow also full 1.5 hour I'll be taking that also. Now from the beginning once I'll show this is the SAP easy
Ma'am,
access
what
screen.
about theory revision? Because that's what we'll get in test. So,
Theory revisions what you will do. All it is in practical. That's what I'm telling.
no,
No,
what
questions
the
will
test,
be
ma'am?
MCQs only. But I will ask you some questions in the class also itself. Okay. So you can get to know which is the main things and all. Like financial accounting. Sometimes it will ask you the navigation path. Okay. Now I'll ask her some questions. You answer me. What is the path to create chart of accounts? We have done in the class. See, we have to go to the financial accounting. It will not ask you define company or something like this. The path you have to remember. So financial accounting global settings. Okay. Then fiscal year. This fiscal year is the fiscal year variant is also main important. What is our fiscal year variant for the Indian? Revisions means I'll be few of the questions I'll be asking you. What is the fiscal year
Ma'am,
variant
V
from April to March?
ma'am
Tell me,
V3.
someone is telling. V3, yes. So we have to change this V3 into our company code and we have to assign. Let's take on one from the beginning ones, okay? Enterprise structure. So enterprise structure, in that we have to go to the definitions, financial accounting, global settings. Few of the questions I'm going to ask students like define company when you click. So we are going to create a company. I'm not going to create. I'll just show you what is the things are there. So in this you have to click on new entries. Company code will be how many digit? Sorry, company will be how many digit?
6 digits.
6 digit. Okay, it's a 4 alpha and 2 numeric. Okay, let's take one more. Uh, how to assign company code to company. So in the enterprise structure, we have financial accounting here assignments. Okay, so financial accounting and assign company code to company. So what we need to do first, how to assign a company. Now my question is, it is not displaying how to assign a company. First step, what we need to do. It is very important in
Position.
practical life. You have to do, no. So only I'm telling. Click on
Ma'am, we need
position.
to click on position.
Yes. After this, we need to company code, but we have not created company code. Now my question is, how to create a company code.
Ma'am, edit, copy, delete, check
Yes,
company.
edit, copy, delete, check company code. You have to click on this. Then what I should do?
Edit company code data.
Yes, edit company code date. If you answer like this, it will be on your mind only. You need not to think others. So click on new entries. Acha, company code will be how many digits, students?
4 digits, alphanumeric.
Yes. Okay. Which is our local currency?
Indian rupee.
Okay. What language SAP we are using? Which language we are using? Most of the time I'm giving that language only.
English.
Language is EN, English. Okay, that you don't forget. Business area. So what a business area means? What do you mean by business area? Huh? If the questions were like this, what is business area means? What you will say? What do you mean by business area? Business area means where is our company? Suppose I have a one branch in Bangalore, one branch in Mysore, one branch is in another place like this. So these are called business area. So one company may have variety, maybe more than one company code, and each company code has each business area. Business area means that belongs to the location itself, right? So just like Bangalore South, Bangalore North, Bangalore East, they have given like this. This is the business area. Functional area, it's optional. It will come. It may not come. So it is also where the company is functioning. I have not taught you the functional area. So next, assign company. After creation of this, we need to assign the company code to company and credit control area. Now, my question is, what do you mean by credit control area? Who can explain me? See, for your information, you can click on the document. You can see that in this step, you define your credit control area. Credit control is an organizational unit that specifies and checks the credit limit for the customer. This is the main meaning, students. You can see that I'm highlighted this. The credit control area is an organizational unit that specifies checks a credit limit for the customer. I'll tell you a very simple way to prepare. Okay, once you click on the documentations, you will get all informations. Before exams, you just take a look of all this, which you are thinking, "Oh, it is difficult for me." Just take a look on this document. This is the inbuilt notes I can say in the software. Okay, so edit company, delete check company code data is there. Now if you want to know about this, you can just click on this. What is that? In this activity, the company code is an organizational unit. It is used to business organization. What is company code? What is address code? Country, currency, language, what we are using, what is controlling area. So you can see on this, will take you to all this. What is definition of controlling area? Our organizational unit within a company used to represent a closed system for cost accounting process. Okay, controlling area may include single and multiple company codes. Remember that company code, it is suppose it's, the question is like this: a controlling area may have uh, how many codes? So it may be single or multiple codes that may different currencies. Okay, this company codes must be same with the operative chart of accounts. I told you there are different type of chart of accounts: company specific, operative, and one more is what? Three types of chart of accounts, students. What are they? Chart of accounts, company specific, operating chart of accounts. Acha, what is the operating chart of accounts? It's a like daily business activities of the organization, that is known as chart of accounts. I have sent already the files in the previous classes and all, but I have not saved anything. Whatever I sent this group, it is group only. So you can check in the beginning of the group, whatever things are there. Even if you have a doubt, means you can see the document here. You will get the entire information on that. Next is, I was asking about the fiscal year. Fiscal year, what is the meaning of fiscal year? Who can tell me? Maintain fiscal year variant. Now if you click on this, as one student has answered me, V3 is the April to March financial year. Okay, April to March. So you have to do V3 and you have to select this and you have to change with the company code and save it. You need to assign this fiscal year to company code also. Next is, what do you mean by posting period? Posting periods means that is how many, just like I shown you in the invoice, posting period 4, posting period 5. What it displays, like our posting period start from 1 and it is belongs to which month? April. Likewise, May is 2, June is 3, July is 4, August is now 5. Now we are running through 5th posting period. Okay, once September will come, it will become 6th. Likewise, December month will be 9th posting period. So these are the things. This is very important for the invoice entries. So open and close posting period, what is that? Open and close means ADKMS. This definitely you should remember. 100%. It's interview questions answer. Assets, A for assets, D for customer, V for K for vendors. These letters with what it belongs, do not forget, students. S for GL account, M for materials, K for vendors, D for customer, A for assets. You should not forget because it's a very important things for all students. Okay, next, 1 second, I'll just check it out. This is for, and this is your dependent. Now I'll take my company. So posting period, what you have created, that you need to give here and click on this. Now see, TA51 plus you have to in real time you have to do this. This is mistakes it came. I have not selected that one. So assets, customer, vendor, material, GS. So all five with one plus. Okay, this is 2024 to 25. I have given the posting periods. We have a, it is asking suppose how many posting periods and how many special periods. So according to the Indian accounting standard, we have a 12 posting periods and 4 special periods. So next, likewise, we have to assign the variant, what variant you have created for posting period that you need to assign. Clear? Next is document number range. What is the document number range? So every document, just like we have a documents in the official work also, document 1, document 2, like this. So document number range you have to create. How? We have to give the company code here. Suppose I am giving here company code. You need to type, students. We should not select on this. Just type company code and change intervals here. So very important first point. You need to start from 0, 1. So how to create? Change intervals. Intervals. You have to type 0, 1 and give the year 2024. From account you can give 100 or 1000. I have given usually 1000 range to 199. That many document can be posted in the GL account. Okay, by using GL masters. Next, copy to company code not require students, only you have to define the number range. Okay, after this what you have to do after number range, we have to go to the chart of accounts. So what do you mean by chart of accounts, students? What do you mean by chart of accounts? Generally, what do you understand? If I'll say, tell me something about chart of accounts. Hmm? Anyone has answered me now? Okay, how to define this? Hmm? How to define chart of accounts? General ledger, GL accounts, master data, preparations for master data, edit. Understood. Go through the path also. Financial accounting, financial account, general ledger accounting, GL accounts, master data, preparations for master data, preparations, then edit chart of account list. Once you click on this, click on new entries. I have to give the chart. Acha, one more question. What is the length of the GL account which we have used? Maximum length. What is the length of the GL account number? Students, answer me. Hmm? Answer me. GL account, how many numbers? Today also we created GL masters. No answer. How? Those who have attended from the beginning, whatever I have sent, it is in the group only. You can share with this. Post and park document I have sent. I told you to, I will send the GST configurations. 1 second, students. I'll be sending you, which is important. Just a minute. Just I'll change the company code. I'll be sending you out. You will understand if I'll not change the company code. That is, I have used MRAIN, students. Huh? Hello? Students, you can understand, right? ZGIC, ZGIS, what is that? You can use ZRange also. I have used that one. Have you got this? Are you getting this point? The procedure is same, only that names are a little bit changed. So I'm going to send this. So you can practice with this. Same thing because it's completed today. So vendors I'm posting. Likewise, you can do for customer also. Okay. So I'm going to send. There is a two full GST configurations. This I am deleting because it's customers I have not done. I have shown you today, so I am sending this. Any other related notes you want, students? I'll check it out. I'll send you if it is there. I have not saved actually. One second. Okay. One thing I'll do, whatever I have saved, T codes, all these things. One more time, I'm sending students till it is vendors. It is there. When I started GL, I already have given the T codes. For this, it is there. One more time, I'll send all this, whatever I have done. Is it okay? So few of this file has been saved. Students, So I'll be sending you out if it is required for you. This is not delete GL accounts also. Mm, Okay, 1 second, I'll do it. Okay, those who have got this, you can do. Even I am sending this one more. So you can see whatever things has been done. Tolerance group for employees, types of numbers, chart of accounts, fiscal year, everything is there. GL creations. I'll put in one file, students. General parking and posting. So let's take Control C. It's almost there. I need to send. Okay, it is already there, so I'm not going to set document splitting. And one more thing, decode in SAP, COA, chart of accounts. I have sent it. 1 second. Chart of accounts. Yes, it is done. And general ledger accounting, chart of accounts, decode in SAP. So two files I'm sending, students. One is SAP FICO 1. So all students will get to know this. So SAP certifications. Moment. Because I have sent this one name, I am changing here and I'll send it out. So all this thing has done, students. All these files you downloaded, and you can practice with this. Any other doubts you have? Any queries you have, student? All this I have sent. You can download this. If related to any things you have a doubts, you can just clarify. With tomorrow also I'll be taking class. So till that, all the files GST I have sent and SAP in the chart of accounts, fill status variant, document number range, all these things is there. Which is not there, you can just follow the requirements. And accounts payable, accounts receivable, and cash journals also I have sent. So that is the things. So any other queries, students? You have any other queries? One more thing, I'll send one T code set also. So someone has asked me about that. T code till it is there, and other T codes you will get from SAP Easy Access Screen. Okay, one second. T code. So I have sent all these things you have downloaded. Log out. So from the GL account, you will get other T codes in the SAP Easy Access Screen. And I have given in the accounts receivable payable T codes all. So it is all. It will be helpful for you. All this you have downloaded this. Those who have not attended from beginning also, it is there. Basically, defined company, all this thing will not be there, but GST implementations, SAP, some how to create fixed status variant, fiscal year, tolerance group, almost all the things are there. Okay. Any other queries you have, students? Anything you want to ask? Hello? Hello? Students, do you want to ask anything?
Ma'am, right now, nothing, but tomorrow, after going
Your
through
voice is not
everything,
coming.
we will have doubts. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Sneha Shri,
Yes, ma'am.
a
Can you
little
hear me now?
loudly you tell. I'm not
Ma'am,
getting your voice.
right now, nothing, but
I
tomorrow,
have
after
sent
going
before
through
also
everything
what I
to
have
send,
sent. No, I
yes,
have
ma'am.
sent that. Presentations also I have sent, but not today. I have sent in the beginning. If you want, I'll send it once again also. Those I have
Ma'am,
sent.
after
I
going through everything, if I have any doubts or if
Yes,
anybody else
all
has
this
any
whatever I
questions,
take in
then
classes that is there. Only define company, assign company. I'll not just send that notes. It is already we have done lot of times. From fiscal year it is there. Posting period it is there. Then field status variant. All the T codes also there. Notes also there. Meaning everything is there. Okay. So practice with all the files. You check it out and see the recordings also and practice. We'll be taking one more class on tomorrow. Let's other things has to be, I'll just clear just like I told you till this one credit control area. So that will be GL account number 6 will be there, and we are maintaining language English. And fiscal year you have to remember it is from 1st of April to 31st March. What is defined written earning, what is the accounts group? So if I'll click on accounts group are nothing but the, when you are creating chart of accounts, that time we have to create accounting groups. So how to do SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Acha, what is VM full form? Virtual machine. Do not forget that VM full form is virtual machine. Okay, general ledger accounting, business transactions, your GL posting. So all this thing is there. Document entry type view. What is document splitting? I've sent all the notes. What is document splitting? Like we are creating a folder, right? Asset for 1 lakh to 199. Means that many GLs we can create on this assets. Likewise, 2 lakhs to 299 for liabilities. 3 lakhs to 399 for what is that income, and 4 lakhs to 499 for expenses. Just like we are creating a separate folder and we are posting the documents in that particular range only. So for that document splitting is required. Okay, so do not forget that what is the use of document splitting. And I was asking just a little bit few minutes before, what is the accounts group? Master data, GL, preparations, account groups. So this is accounts group. Do not confuse assets, liabilities, income and expenses. So for that we are getting from account and to account. Okay, then define retained earnings account. So what is that? It belongs to the profit and loss account, retained earnings. It will start with this capital related to the balance sheet. Line items, do not forget what are the line items for vendor. For customer, line items is 01 for credit entries, and for vendor debit entry is 31. Okay. Likewise, debit entry is 40 for GL account, 50 is for credit, right? So that is for GL account. This line items also we do not forget, means that is posting key. Line items is debit and credit, and 40 is for debit, 50 is for credit, 31 for vendors, and 01 for customer. Okay, that is for credit entry. Customer
Excuse me,
is
ma'am.
credit entry for this. Yes, tell me.
Yeah, ma'am, actually, I have a doubt.
Who is asking?
Lisha, ma'am.
Ha, Lisa, tell me.
Ma'am, can I share my screen?
Yes, you can share now.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll stop the share. You can share now. Lisa, no, I'll just check it out once. You can present now, Lisa. I'm getting your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I had doubt in this park document.
Okay. Uh, what is the any error is displaying on that
Yes,
doc?
ma'am. It's not getting saved.
Can you do it now? Document date you
Yes,
give today's date.
yes, ma'am.
Hmm. And company code, is this your company code?
Yes, ma'am. KC 26.
Okay. Click on tick mark and go to the this one account down it is.
This one, ma'am.
Ah, select that one. Yes, that one you click. What are the GLs you have created? I'll see. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Press enter once. Enter key. Okay. These GLs you have created. So what transactions you are going to enter? Do one thing. Rent account have you created?
Yes, ma'am. I have created.
Uh, no, it is not displaying. White it is displaying. So
Yes,
rent
ma'am.
you select. Press enter.
Actually, I was seeing the previous class recordings, ma'am. I didn't attend. So in
Okay.
that you had selected cash account first.
Because there should be a balance in the company, no? So better you select cash. I'll tell you. Select
Okay, double
cash.
click.
Double click on that.
Okay.
Press enter once.
Yes, ma'am.
So is it coming to
Yeah,
the
yes,
next
ma'am.
screen? What is displaying there?
Posting
Posting period.
period.
No, that only I
Yes,
was
ma'am.
discussing. Posting period. Read that. What is that? Posting period.
Posting period 005 2024 is not open.
So you have to check with the posting period only. How to check? Go to the T code bar. Put slash n.
Here, ma'am.
Huh. Slash
Slash
n.
N
Enter.
N.
There is a you have not assigned. I think. One second. I'll rectify this now only. So
Okay.
type SPRO in the T code
Okay.
bar.
SPRO.
Press enter. Click on SAP reference IMG. You have to show me what posting period you have created.
Okay, ma'am.
There only. Maybe it is not assigned. That's what it's not open.
Okay.
Because your error is telling only the where is the problem. So go to the financial accounting. Check where is the posting period. I was discussing that one only. Click on that. We'll see that. Little navigation is little difficult to remember.
Yes, ma'am.
So financial accounting global settings path is little difficult to remember. So better that's what I send you the notes for that.
Okay.
Click on this posting period displaying or what?
It's loading, ma'am.
Hmm.
Fiscal year.
Fiscal year, yes. And
Okay.
then down it will be posting period will be there. We'll check it there. Maybe there is some mistakes in fiscal and posting. So document you do. Click on document.
Posting
Posting
period.
period. Yes. Uh, Click on that posting period, that triangle again. Huh. Define variant to
This
when
one first
posting
one,
period.
ma'am.
Yes, that one. First one. I'll check why it is not opening. There are three things you have to do, Lisa. What is that? Define, then open and close posting period, and this one. So click on position. Give your company code. They have created or not. I'll check out once.
Okay. Here I should.
Huh. If you have created, it will display. Huh. Click on tick mark. No, it has not created. So, is it the number? It is displaying
Ah,
created?
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
Posting
back
delivery.
once, back. I got to know where it is. Maybe you have forgot to assign. I think it is created already. Uh, then come back and go to the open and close posting period once. Assign third one you do first. A third one you
Okay.
do first. Assign variant to company code.
Not this one, ma'am.
Not this one. Third one. This
Okay.
will do, but after that,
Okay.
in this some problem is there. I think I'll check it out. Cancel button you press or exit button. Not able to do.
No, ma'am. There's some.
Click on no. Data will be lost. Click on yes.
Mm,
Nothing will happen. Click on yes. It will come back. Uh,
it's getting
is
stuck,
it
ma'am.
okay? Do one thing. Exit button that yellow color, not that one. Exit that yellow. That you exit from the screen.
It came,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next. Next you click assign variant to company code.
Okay. Okay, it went fully back.
Hmm. Are then again you have to go that. Maybe you have pressed two times back key.
Yes, ma'am.
Check that. Assign company code, you do that one.
Okay.
Financial accounting new. Do once more.
New or financial accounting?
New. I think new that one.
It's too slow, ma'am.
It is depends on the RAM actually. 4 GB
Okay.
RAM means it will be very slow. Not taking.
No, ma'am.
There is the mistake. I think you have to check with the company code. General ledger accounting. I think
Okay.
check it out.
Okay.
General ledger accounting or financial. Check once.
Financial global, I guess, ma'am.
Click on that document. Then the post fiscal year should come. Is it coming fiscal year
No, ma'am.
or as general ledger accounting will be there? I think this path is a little difficult to remember, but that's what
Yes.
I'm telling. General ledger accounting or else yes. This one master data, not this one. I think financial accounting. I think 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
Close this and financial accounting you open. Really, it is slow. You should. I think 4 GB RAM you have this.
Yes, ma'am, I guess.
That's what it will be. Financial accounting global settings. Financial accounting global settings. General
Okay.
ledger accounting. Check. It will come below the fiscal year only.
Okay. I don't know why it's not come.
We'll continue tomorrow once again, Lisa.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you do one thing. You stop the screen. I will show you once. It came. It
Okay.
came. Document. You click on the document. It came already.
Okay, document.
Huh. Click on this document
Okay,
and
posting to.
posting periods. Third options. Assign variant to company code. I want to check there actually. So it has been assigned or not. And one more is open and closing. There is the mistakes actually.
Okay.
If not, then again you have to check fiscal year also because these two are related to this. Okay, click on position. Type your company code. Click on tick mark. Did you assign for this company?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay, open and close posting period you check. If not, I will show you once more time in the next class. Okay, tomorrow I'll
Okay.
show you that. You check this open and close posting period once. If
Okay.
not happening, then we'll do one more time tomorrow. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Tomorrow till 6 to
Oh,
7:30 I'll be taking class.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll
Okay.
tell you tomorrow. Okay, connect
Okay.
tomorrow. Every student's class will be there tomorrow. Okay, and 17th is the exam date. Same 6 o'clock only exam. So I'll send you the link in the group before few minutes on the Saturday. And tomorrow is the doubt sessions again. So you have all students have to attend the class and whatever doubts you clear with this. Okay, and I'll show you once more time posting parking what Lisa is telling and why we're getting the error message of posting period, that I'll show you also. Okay, so that's all for the day, students. We'll connect tomorrow. Bye bye.